Imagine if the very first humans decided to stay put, choosing to build their lives in one place rather than wandering the vast expanses of the earth. No intrepid explorers venturing into the unknown, no brave souls setting out to discover new lands and uncharted territories. No nomads chasing the horizon, driven by the promise of new opportunities and the allure of distant horizons. Just a single point of origin for all humankind, a place where every story, every lineage, and every culture began.
Perhaps this cradle of civilization rested in the fertile valleys of Africa, where the land was rich and the environment nurturing. Maybe it was nestled along the banks of a mighty river, providing sustenance and a reliable source of water for generations. Wherever it was, this single location would have witnessed the entirety of human history, from our humble beginnings to whatever future we might forge, evolving and adapting over millennia.
Without the drive to migrate, our ancestors would have been intimately tied to their environment, forming a deep and unbreakable bond with the land. Their survival would depend on understanding the rhythms of the land, the flow of the seasons, and the behavior of the plants and animals around them, becoming true stewards of their surroundings.
This deep connection to their surroundings would shape not only their daily lives, but also their culture, beliefs, and very identity, influencing their rituals, celebrations, and social structures. Instead of spreading across the globe, humanity would have been forced to adapt and innovate within the confines of their original home, finding new ways to thrive in a limited space.
This challenge, while daunting, could have fostered incredible ingenuity and resilience, pushing our ancestors to develop new tools, techniques, and ways of living. It might also have led to a profound sense of community and interdependence, as people relied on each other for survival and progress, creating strong bonds and a shared sense of purpose.
The story of humanity in this alternate reality becomes a fascinating experiment in what happens when we put down roots and invest all our energy into a single shared home, exploring the depths of our potential in one place.
Confined to a specific environment, human evolution would have taken a fascinating turn, diverging significantly from the path we know today. Natural selection would favor traits beneficial within that particular ecosystem, leading to a highly specialized set of characteristics.
Perhaps our ancestors would have developed enhanced resistance to local diseases, or unique adaptations to the climate and terrain, making them perfectly suited to their specific environment. Imagine, for instance, if early humans living in a dense rainforest evolved exceptional climbing abilities, or developed heightened senses to navigate the shadowy undergrowth, becoming masters of their domain.
Without the pressure of adapting to diverse environments, human evolution might have followed a more specialized path, focusing on perfecting survival in one type of terrain. This could mean a narrower range of physical variation compared to the diversity we see today, with humans in each region looking remarkably similar to one another.
Instead of distinct races, we might see subtle variations in features reflecting adaptations to microclimates or food sources within their limited territory, creating a mosaic of human forms. This localized evolution would extend beyond physical traits, influencing every aspect of human life.
Social structures and behaviors would also be shaped by the demands of their environment, leading to unique cultural practices and societal norms. For example, in a resource-scarce region, cooperation and resource sharing might become essential survival traits, leading to highly communal societies where every member plays a crucial role.
Conversely, an abundance of resources might foster more individualistic or competitive social structures with different dynamics and hierarchies emerging. The absence of migration would essentially turn Earth into a giant, planet-sized Galapagos island for humans, with each region evolving its own distinct human species.
This natural experiment in isolation would provide a fascinating glimpse into the power of adaptation and the incredible plasticity of the human species, showcasing our ability to thrive in varied conditions.
It begs the question, In the grand tapestry of evolution, is diversity driven by necessity or the thrill of exploring the unknown? How much of our current diversity is a result of our ancestors' wanderlust and curiosity?